Welcome to my entry for the Online Challenges Build Instruction Guide. I'll be showcasing you the 3D model that I built, explaining how it functions, how it can score points, and tips and tricks. My name is Ishan. I am the author of this 3D model and the Build Instruction Guide. I'm from Team 15442B. So this right here is an arm lift. It plays a vital role in the game High Stakes because it can score many points due to the unique design. I'll explain each part in depth for this mechanism. It all starts with a 13-inch high-strength shaft over here that's connected to this 2x22 C channel that extends outwards. Now they have a uniquely cut area, this corner, using a bandsaw. So this is the pocket used for the high-strength shaft to go through into this gear. We have this whole piece by using 4 spacers similar to this side and a clamp shaft collar. As you can see, we have a 60-tooth gear compared to this area we have 36 tooth. So the reason for this is because when the shaft in this motor starts to rotate, it also rotates this gear, rotating the 60-tooth gear, rotating this whole mechanism. Now alternatively, you don't have to use this 11-watt motor. You can use 2 5.5-watt motors on both sides. So I'll place one on this side, replicating this whole design on this side. You can see this 11-watt motor carries a green cartridge. This allows for speed and torque, which is what this mechanism needs. You can see down here we have this plastic ramp using HDPE plastic, which is recommended because it's lightweight and it can bend, but not too much, and it's not too thick, not too thin. It's mounted on a 2x22 C channel. Then down here we have a screw with spacers that connects to this bucket like part, and then over here this is a 2x16 C channel with 2 2x15 C channels. On top there are 2 plastic pieces, HDPE plastic. This is a roof for the ring so it doesn't fall out. These are also walls by using standoffs so they don't fall out side to side. And then on the floor over here, this serves as a base so the rings don't fall out. You can see this standoff extends outwards so that the rings don't go forward. You can see that this standoff over here is also like a wall, but from the behind, so the rings don't fall out. So let's get into tips and tricks. First is Loctite screws. Loctite screws are very sturdy and tight, and you'd want to use them on basically majority of your whole mechanism. 100% of this mechanism uses Loctite screws, and it's very efficient. Now, steel and aluminum. Aluminum is very light and gets the job done compared to steel, which it may be very sturdy and durable. It's just too heavy and the motor cannot support such heavy weight. Note that this model was built using Fusion 360. Now, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck making this superb mechanism. Thank you.